Hey, how you guys doing? Back again. Big gains, and no gains. We're gonna do a little quick leg workout. We're gonna use some weights and also some free weights. So if you guys don't have equipment at home, I'm gonna do a little workout without weights and equipment. And if you do got equipment, or if you have access to a gym, or anything that get you that weight, I'm gonna do a workout with that as well. We're gonna try to stick to the basics, but I'm also gonna throw in some some little non-conventional workouts. So hope y'all enjoy. Let's go. Now we're about to start off with 20 easy squats and keep going from there.
TLX 14.
Alright, so we just finished with the little warm-up. Hope you guys got your blood flowing. It's time to get it. Time to the weights. Big gains. for some middleweight. You know what I'm saying? Not even big gains yet. It's little weight. Now I feel like I did a little bit of something. Not enough. Let's go. I got a little bit more stuff to do. Big games. One thing I do hate though that slows you down is hopping the D-rack. I wish it just like jumped off by itself. But we're gonna get it done. You heard? I'm gonna show y'all real quick what my legs look like, and I'm about to work on them. And you know, we're gonna see what the progress is from today on forward. You know, they ain't the worst, but they definitely not the best. So. We're gonna get to it. It's not like my upper body and stuff. We're gonna work on it. I know y'all see me looking at the other side, but it's because my camera screen is that way, so fuck it. So I can feel my hamstrings getting like a little agitated. So I had an injury like a year ago on my groin and hamstring. So I'm afraid to like, do that again, a little PTSD, but I'm gonna give it a little break today. It was a little quick leg workout we had. I don't want to push it too much. I don't want to not be able to walk. Got a recital coming up on Sunday, but these workouts are killer. They're key. Basics, get in the gym, go and get it. Every day and everywhere we're getting better and better. Big gains and no gains. Yeah.